After 9 years, we thought it was time to change up the format a bit. So LPD is introducing a brand new feature. I'm going to teach you some Latin composition. After we release one of our 4 to 5 minute videos on an original author, we're also going to release a follow-up video which will show you how to practice some of the constructions and vocabulary in that author's composition to grow your own knowledge and confidence. The first one is from Cicero's Pro Marco Marcello and is based on the 11th episode. You might want to go back and watch that one so you know what it says. Now here's the original sentence. It goes like this: Quis enim est illo aut nobilitate, aut probitate, aut optimardrum artium studio, aut innocentia, aut ullo laudes genera praestantior. Who is there than he, either in nobility or character, etc. The first thing we want to do is take out the enim, because a single sentence like this doesn't have context, and enim always explains what came before. No context, no enim. So now we have quis est illo, aut nobilitate, aut probitate, etc., all the way through the end, praestantior. Second, let's try changing the gender of the ablative of comparison. Right now it is masculine, illo, and it refers to Marcus Marcellus. But you're not talking about him. Maybe you're talking about a woman who is outstanding in all these ways, nobilitate, innocentia, etc. So then we use the feminine illa. Do we have to change the comparative adjective at the end of the sentence to match gender? Yes, but as it turns out, the third declension adjectives like praestans are the same for masculine and feminine in the comparative degree. So praestantior doesn't actually change form. So now we have quis est illa aut nobilitate, aut probitate, aut optimarum, etc., all the way down through praestantior. And we might translate it this way: who is more excellent than she in birth, character, devotion to the best of skills, integrity, and any category of what is praiseworthy? Third, let's say you want to write this to a friend. Now we change the ablative of comparison from illa, the pronoun, to the second person pronoun, te. It doesn't matter whether your friend is male or female because the second person pronoun is the same, whether masculine or feminine. But to be more specific, you can put their name after the ablative in the vocative case. So in my example, I will be asking this question about my friend Ed, Eduardus. The vocative is Eduarde. So now we have, quis est te, o Eduarde, aut nobilitate, aut probitate, aut optimum artium, optimardrum artium, etc. So I'd say this: is there anybody, Ed, my man, more distinguished than you when it comes to birth, honesty, devotion to the liberal arts, blameless behavior, really anything worth commending? Now there's a lot more we could do in terms of variety for this sentence, but we will save that for another episode. Thanks so much for watching, and vale tota omnes. Thank you so much for watching this free video. I hope that you learned a lot about the classical languages and advanced your knowledge and enjoyment. You can help us keep going with this instruction if you like this video and subscribe to the channel. We've had hundreds of thousands of views in the last 9 years, and we would really like to grow our number of subscribers. If you hit the little bell, you will be notified every time we release a brand new free instructional video. You can also check out one of my Latin or Greek courses at LatinPerDiem.com or mossmethod.com. Check the links if you'd like to study Latin and Greek with me directly. So keep learning, and vale tota omnes.